Hello folks, welcome to the channel. I haven't been out in the garden for a while, so I'm just coming out to have a look, see what's happening. We've been getting a really bad weather in the UK lately. It's 8th or 9th of April 2024. This garden, if you look at my other videos, this garden looked absolutely beautiful last year. As you can see, still a very windy. Let's have a look at what's happening today. Like I said, I haven't been in the garden for a while. Let's have a look at this rose. This is a beautiful rose. I had this for about 35 years. It's got buds coming up there. It's got a beautiful scent. That's a plum tree. I keep it that short every year. Black morello. I pruned it last year. And it's only got flowers on one side. Like I said, we had a very bad weather this year in UK. That's my apricot. It hasn't flowered. That's another apricot. All these are semi-dwarf apricots. And this one, I think I overpruned it. It's a peach tree. I had a peach on it last year. And that's my flat peach, satin peach tree. Again, I overpruned it. Now, because we had a lot of rain this year, it's damaged the leaves on this. So I took all the leaves off and see what happens. Now that was a beautiful tree last year. Like I said, have a look at my video and you can see I had about 50 peaches on there last year. That's my fig tree. It's just coming out of dormancy. Planted some corianders again because the weather hasn't been good. They're very slow to come up. And there are some seeds that I'm growing in there. Melons, watermelon, all from Cyprus. I've got them on eBay. Celeric, giant tomatoes, and other bits and pieces in there. And that's a seedless clementine. Again, got that on eBay from Cyprus. That's my blood orange. Nectarine. It flowered loads and loads of flowers on this. See what happens. Now this is my grapes. As you can see, it's been here nearly 25 years. Look at the size of that trunk. Again, because of the bad weather, they haven't come out of dormancy yet. Well, it's got a little bit of buds shooting out there. And the lakoa, it flowered last year, but the frost killed the flower. So I don't think you can get lakoites in Britain because of the climate. Now them two grapes on there, I'm going to replace them with grapes I brought from Cyprus. Giant crimson seedless red, very sweet. Again, I brought these on eBay, sent it over from Cyprus in a little envelope. They were just twigs, and they're coming up real nicely now. They were in the smaller pots, but I've replaced it into the bigger pots and they're doing really well, which I'm going to replace them with that two over there. That's the aspera fig. Give it another couple of weeks. When the weather changes, starts to get warmer, I should come out here 3-4 times a week and see what I can do.